Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fish in Roblox Studio. We'll start by opening Roblox Studio and adding a basic part to your workspace. This part will be the main body of our fish. You can easily resize it to your desired dimensions. Then, we'll duplicate this part to create the fins and tail, giving our fish its initial shape. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now that you have the basic parts, let's refine their appearance. Use the scale tool to carefully shape the duplicated parts into realistic fins and a tail. Experiment with different sizes and angles. Next, change the material and color of each part to make your fish look more vibrant and lifelike. Finally, group all the individual parts together. This makes it much easier to move and manipulate your entire fish model as one object. With your fish model complete, it's time to bring it to life with some movement. Insert a new script directly into your grouped fish model. Inside this script, you'll write a few lines of code to make your fish move. We'll start with a simple command to make it swim forward. Then, we'll add a loop to ensure your fish continuously swims, creating a dynamic and engaging effect in your game. To make your fish even more engaging, consider adding advanced behaviors. You can implement code for your fish to turn or change directions randomly, making its movement less predictable. Adding buoyancy can simulate natural up and down swimming motions. For interaction, think about collision detection, allowing your fish to react to other objects or players. These steps can significantly enhance the realism and fun of your fish in Roblox Studio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.